What's up guys? In this tutorial I will show you how to unlock the 6 builder for your home village in Clash of Clans. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device. Now at the bottom of your base, you'll be able to find this boat which will allow you to go to your builder base. So go ahead and drag your area to the bottom and click on this boat which will allow you to sail to your builder base. On your builder base, as you can see, my builder base is underdeveloped yet. Go ahead and click on Town Hall and click on Chief's Journey. So as you can see in here, for every level of the Town Hall on your builder base, you'll be able to unlock more things and characters that you can use for your clan. In order for you to unlock or to get the 6 builder, you'll need to have your builder base upgraded to level 9. As you can see in here, once you've upgraded the builder base to level 9, you can start working towards unlocking BOB, and BOB is the key to getting your 6 builder. However, to fully upgrade your tireless robot friend BOB, you'll need to accomplish a few tasks to be able to unlock the 6 builder. And that is how you can simply get 6 builder on Clash of Clans. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.